back mga ka-iSems on our second game for today. We have
Yes.
Bancon versus Kerlon. So this is Migo Nins with Compañero
Yes,
Odds.
welcome sa ating mga live viewers dyan. Ako muna ang papalit kay Quiz Bing.
Of course, Bing will be busy because he will be taking action shots for
Mm-mm.
this game. By the way, speaking of, our official photographer for iSems is Bulabog. Right? You
Yes.
can follow his page. Just search Bulabog and check our shots there or mga pictures from our previous events, guys. So
Yes.
to all our viewers, live viewers right now, if you want to have a shout out, just comment down below and then we'll try our best to give you a shout out. So right now, our brother Michael Diaznes, let's go Kerlon. Brother Abuel, this is it. Belated
Mm-hmm.
happy birthday to you once again.
Yun, happy birthday.
Right, so we're about to have the tip off. Again, for our live viewers, we are live here at the Pavia Gym, multi-purpose gym. If you want to come over and watch the game, it is for free.
That's correct. Punta lang mga ka-iSems. Libreng-libre. And we are about to tip in for this first quarter. Pulgan versus number 17. And hawak ni Mendoza. Kay Lim. Thinks about the three shots and
Ooh,
makes it. Ang bilis nun ha.
good start.
Yes. And parang ang masasabi ko yung tail of the tape dito is a must-win game for both teams because
Both teams
last
coming from a
mm
loss.
So makakita tayo talaga dito ng sipag and determination to win this game for both teams. King to number 17 sa side. Pasok.
So back-to-back field goals for Bancon there, kompanyero.
Oo, yun yung sagot nila sa 3
Sa
points ni Lim
three-point shot ni
doon.
Lim, yes.
Eto, Mendoza naghahanap ng screen. Binigay ni Dinate, nabigyan ng spasyo pero medyo short.
Short,
Pero eto,
steal.
nag-struggle sa rebound. Nakuha ni Mendoza. Tuoy, walang lucky
Foul
bounce.
by Pulgan there.
Yun lang.
Inuna pa kasi yung karate chop kaysa sa box
Mm-mm.
out eh.
Kitang-kita yun ni
Mm.
Boss Rep doon. And this will be a Bancon ball. Eto, King. Ito yung halos last week nagdala ng Bancon sa game kaso medyo short.
Inunahan sila kasi ng Coke that
Oo,
time.
4 runs. Ito sa gilid na naman, number 11. Malakas nga lang, uy. Medyo hindi nakakuha yung rebound pero na-control naman. Bigay kay Lim, cross-court pass kay Mendoza, balik kay Uy, sidestep, fall away shot, sablay nga lang. Eto, tumatakbo naman ngayon ng
Open
Bancon.
yung 26.
Oo, King,
Yes.
reverse layup. Hinugot pa sa kabila. And that will be
So,
a 6-3.
right on cue there.
Oo. Pero ito, anong kailangang sagot ng Kerlon dito dahil di pa sila nakakashoot ulit pagtapos ng 3 points ni Alim.
Mm.
They need to do a good defense here sa takbo nilang ng Bancon dito. Pero ayun, nabigyan tayo ng magandang depensa doon. Pulgan, extra pass, tapik, out of bounds. Same
So
ball.
yung dalawang sentro ng no, ng Kerlon, Pulgan
Oo.
at saka si Dinate, they started the game together, no?
Pinagsabay.
So nagpalabas sila ng Twin Towers dito. Lim, another wide open three. Back
Siya
to
pa
back
rin.
three for Brian Lim of Kerlon.
Siya pa rin pala talaga ang bibigay ng puntos and itatabla to.
Siya
Sa,
pa rin ba para sa iyo,
oo.
kompanyero?
Siya pa rin. Eto na, Lim. Hawak na naman yung bola.
4
Takbuhan
on
sila
2
dito.
pass for 2.
Extra pass kay Reb. Kaso nakakuha dito ni Mendoza. Bigay kay Dinato si gilid. Balik kay Mendoza. Kick out. Lim for 3 again. Another 3. That's a 3 consecutive threes, I think.
Yes.
9 points para sa kanya.
So dapat palitan natin yung score natin. Brian
Oo,
Lim 9,
oo.
Bancon 6.
Yon, ganun ang natin dito. Pero eto King, naghahanap ng papasahan. Fakes,
A steal
pero
by
na...
Dinate
Mm-mm.
to Mendoza. One on
Transition.
one. Oh,
Uy, wala
miss.
nga lang.
Lim with a tip
Nice!
to
Ganda
Mendoza.
naman nun. Laging involved na si Lima for
Yes.
that 11 points.
So that's a rebound and assist all in one
Oo.
for him.
Tres naman para sa Bancon, sablay. Eto, silim na naman magdadala ng bola.
Kita si
Naipasa kay Mendoza.
Mendoza.
Nice
Quick pass
pass!
to Dinate.
Kitang-kita niya yun doon.
So a fast
Nag-aabang.
start for Team Kerlon here.
Oo.
A foul by Pulgan.
Ay, dalawa ka na agad sa first quarter pa lang,
Yes.
katropa.
So yun yung mga foul na dapat i-avoid ni ano no ni
Oo.
Pulgan. Yung mga unnecessary fouls.
Yes.
So unnecessary yung karate chop kanina, unnecessary rin
Push.
yung pag-push dito.
Mm. And he will sit down for this first quarter dahil nakakuha na nga siya ng dalawang foul. Eto,
Right.
meron pa ulit.
So Del Pilar comes in for Pulgan. So nung na-mention namin
Oo.
kanina mga ka-items yung Bulabog page which is being managed by
Uh,
Alvin Del Pilar of
yes.
Kerlon. So there.
And back-to-back foul yung ginawa dito yung pinalitan ni Del
So we have
Pilar.
shout outs here, compañero. Rai
Mm.
Tuivasa, shout out. Price Gas Iloilo.
Yun. Abangan nyo yan. May game sila mamaya.
Yes. Christian Kutanda Nidola, shout out Coach Pido of Price Gas.
Yun. Shout out. Eto, Lim, tumira ulit pero sablay na siya doon. Eto, number 21, tumatakbo. Prado, behind the back
Oh,
pass.
what a
Pero
block by
na,
Dinate.
nakakuha ng tuluyan ni Dinate. Pasa kay
2 on
Mendoza.
1, fast break. Mendoza,
Mendoza, malakas nga lang. Uy, for the
offensive
hustle,
rebound.
nakakuha niya. Fakes.
Uy,
Box,
wala pa
short
rin.
pa rin pero same ball ang tawag ni Rep doon.
Sayang yung fast break na yun for Kerlon,
Oo,
compañero.
hindi na-convert yung transition.
Mhm. So another shout out here for Kevy Zan, Dave Amagin, shout out, Bancon,
Yun, shout out sa'yo. Eto, Dinate, libreng-libre. Ginamit lang yung board.
Rogaine Joy Poras, Go Mega Panay, and Bancon.
Yun.
So we have fans of Bancon and Kerlon
Yes.
tuning
Shout out
in
sa inyo.
sa live natin. Thank you so much,
Oo, ayun,
mga
ganda ng
ka-icems.
pasa ni Dinate doon. Alam niya na nauuna na doon si Mendoza. And he pass it na nakatalikod pa. And eto,
Good.
Banco nagmamadali naman try na makapasok pero eto kuha ni Adel Pilar 3 on 1 transition
Uy,
medyo
nabitawan pa.
nabitawan nga lang.
Medyo naging excited dun.
Mm-mm. Nanginginig
So
pa.
time out for Bancon, compañero.
Oo, they need that.
Mhm.
And we will be back mga ka-iSems after this break.
Fiber X, 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 Fiber.
Alrighty, we're back mga ka-icems.
Yes, we are back. Eh,
This is Ligo Nins.
and Panyero Odds here.
So it's 17-8 in
Oo.
favor of Kerlon. We have another shout out here from Noy Jun. Go Bing Garzon.
Yun, go
So
Bing.
Joyce Bing is in the field taking action shots.
Yes, antayin nyo yan yung action shots natin dito kay Kuis Bing on the side court. Pero eto, nakapuntos dito yung Bancon.
We also have Mary Ann Calyao. Kadakahalang doon ni Waswasiga Jonas.
Yun, galingan mo daw, Jonas.
Mendoza for Kerlon.
And there's a foul on that last play. Kaya inbound dito sa underneath the basket yung Kerlon. Pero papasok si Tiples dito. And Trinidad. And a long pass inbound. Pasa kay Dinata sa gitna. Extra pass kay Mendoza. Back pass pero oo, na turnover tayo doon. Number 11 with Hesi and floater. Wow. Good move for him and another score naman para sa Bancon yon. Dinatay agad.
From the free throw
Yon.
line, wide open,
Yes.
easy shot.
Di na niya pinasa. Sige, tatry ko naman i-shoot. Ang sabi niya. Eto, number 11 sa gilid. Tipless na tip niya yung bola pero nakuha ni King. Hesi move naman. Sidestepping. Bank shot. Yun, may lucky bounce nga.
Lucky bounce nga.
Mm-mm.
Ano yung ring doon eh? Mapagbigay.
Oo. And they cut the lead. 14 to 19 na. Lima na lang. Dinatay again sa gitna. Para nag-free throw lang pero it came up short. Eto, number 21 nagmamadali with the fake pass and a layup. And he scores it. And eto, tatlo na lang. Biglang ang lamang dito ng Kerlon. That's a good timeout for them to cut this lead. Kanina
Mhm.
11. And Kerlon trying to get a score naman dito. Sidestep na wala yung bola kay Tiples.
Tipless, no? So this time around, it's Kerlon that will take the time out.
Oo, they really need to.
So we'll be right back mga ka-ISEMs after this quick timeout.
At Filipino Homes, we're here to serve you. At Filipino Homes, we'll make your dream come true. For you, we make it easy. Together on this journey, only the very best for you. At Filipino Homes. Filipino Homes.
Alright, and we're back mga ka-ISEMs, no? So it's 3:22 left. 19-16 in favor of Kerlon still. Del Pilar with a drive.
Oo, medyo na dula
Traveling.
siya doon. Kaya
Yes.
natawagan ng traveling. And another chance again to Bancon to tie this with their 3 points or makakuha sila ng quick 2 dito. Pero eto, sa gilid, nagkuyugan pero nakakuha dito ni Trinidad. Pasa kay Mendoza, intercepted by King. The King, hop, Hesi move with 3. Wala nga lang. Nakakuha ni Dinate, pass break ulit kay Mendoza. Tatlo yung kalaban niya doon. King again, extra pass. May foul kay number 4. Trinidad committing that foul. And number 4 will be awarded.
With two free throws.
Yes. And first throw, swabing-swabe lang.
Swabing swabe. All net.
Mm-mm.
All net. Marami siyang data. All net.
Oo. Uy, yun nga lang yung second.
In and out.
In
Naubos
and-
yung data doon.
Oo. Nag-agawan pa nga doon si Del Pilar and Tiples sa rebound net. Pero eto Trinidad sa gilid.
Sobra yung finger roll pero
Del Pilar for the putback.
offensive rebound by Dinate.
Dinati ba yun?
Dinate
Sorry.
yun.
Oo. Namali tayo ng tingin doon. Pero eto,
A
tapal
block
dito ni
by Dinate.
Dinate.
A 2-on-1 fast break.
Oo. Pero nasa likod na yung isang taga-Bancon. Reverse by Mendoza.
Mendoza
He
will
will
try.
try. Hindi. Extra pass. Trinidad.
Balik kay Mendoza for wide open 3. Wala
Short.
pa rin.
Pero
Scramble
eto na.
for the rebound.
King gets
So
the rebound.
less than 2 minutes left in the first quarter mga ka-Ison. So it's a wide open
Yes. With
fast break.
Extra pass yun. Nice play by Bancon to convert the transition.
Yes.
Pero eto, huli na nila yung pasa dito from Mendoza to Dinate sa gitna. Pero eto si King nagmamadali.
And this is now a tied ball game.
Yun na nga.
So from a good start of Kerlo, nakabawi na rin si Bancon.
Oo. And they have 1 minute and 20 seconds for this first quarter.
Rabi Malay, let's go Kerlon. Thank you for watching.
Eto, tira ni Tiple sa Gedli. Malakas nga lang, kuha ng Bancon, binaba ni number 93. Pasa dito sa number 22.
Marian Grace Gaduyon, go Charlie Magallanes, number 11.
And yeah, shout out sa inyo dyan.
Less than a minute left in the first quarter. Wide
Kick out.
open.
Oo,
No, wala.
gusto
Decided
pa
to
niya.
drive.
Oo, gusto niya mas malapit. Kaso
Oo.
malakas yung tira. Pero ito si Tiples.
Tiples 3 on 2. Binigay kay Dinate.
Yun,
And
oh.
one.
Binaby yung bola at nilagay sa ring.
Binibim.
Mm-mm.
Ala naman natin maraming baby kasi yan eh.
Mm-mm.
Pati yung bola, binaby na.
Oo. And one play para kay Dinate.
Dinate will take one more free throw. So it's 43 seconds left in the first quarter, mga ka-Isams.
Yes.
Yeah, Dinate completes the 3-point play.
Yes. And after he got that 3-point play, he will be out muna and papalitan siya dito ni Talaban. Eto, Bancon. Biglang tres. Wow! Ringless. And that will give the ball game a tie score.
24 all.
Oo. Trinidad setting up play kay Tiples
Yes,
binigay.
with the
Uy!
Euro.
Sayang.
Strong move by
Oo.
Tiples there, no?
Strong din yung pagtira niya.
Yes.
Medyo lumapaw lang.
Pero nevertheless, it is a good drive for
Oo.
Tiples. But he misses the first free throw.
Yun lang. And i-adjust niya ng konti para ma-shoot. Yun nga
Wala,
lang.
short pa rin eh. Mali yung
short, pero
adjustment
eto,
dun.
Talaban with that powerful rebound. And Trinidad calling
Says,
for a screen.
Last shot daw.
Oo. Yun nga lang, naagaw.
So he loses the ball and commits a turnover and
Oo.
commits a foul.
Nako, hindi maganda yun. Nauubos na yung oras, na loose ball mo na, nakakuha ka pa ng foul. But here comes a Bancon from long three. Sablay nga lang,
May
1
time pa.
second. Kaya pa ba ni Tiples? Wala
Sayang,
na.
di nakita na may time pa.
Oo.
So that's the end of our first quarter, mga ka-Isons. We're tied at 24 between
Yes.
Bancon and Kerlon. So we'll take a quick break and we'll be right back for the second quarter.
Yes.
Alright, and welcome back mga ka-Isons, no?
Yes, welcome back mga katropa. And shoutout sa ating mga live viewers dyan. Yun na nga, nabasa na namin ng ibang shoutout nyo. And meron pa kayo dyan,
Comment
comment
lang.
down.
Yes.
And there is a extra pass from number 17 to number 12.
So Bancon now takes a
Mm-mm.
lead.
This is their first lead ba?
Yes, that's their first lead for the
Oo.
ball game.
And eto na nga. Oh, scramble
Turnover.
tayo sa bola.
Dakil gives it to Gilaran. Jump shot.
Gilaran. Yun. Pumasok din.
And tied at 26, Carlon is trying to
Oo.
do a full court press here.
And medyo na-fail sila doon and
Mm.
that will give them
Umangat kasi si Dinate.
mm, nabigyan tuloy ng spasyo doon sa ilalim si
Correct.
King. Extra
Uy!
pass. Nakatingin na si Dakil sa
Ay,
sa
oo.
ring.
That was an open lane for Dinate.
Oo. Kaso nag-hesitate siya in pass it to Dakil kaso hindi ready doon. And turns into a turnover. Eto, Bancon, bola.
Uy!
Fakes.
Parang,
Kapos nga lang.
parang traveling yun ah.
Oo nga, hindi natawagan. Pero
Mm.
eto, transition, fast break from Kerlon. Pumihit pa nga doon si Mendoza. Kaso may foul at
Mm.
hindi niya na-shoot yung bola.
So Mendoza will take 2 free throws for
Yes.
Carlon.
And eto na nga yung sinasabi nating ano, no? Parang kwento ng game na to. A must-win game and binibigyan niya tayo dito ng dikit na laban and ayaw magpatalo ng bawat kupunan dito. Ayaw
Mm.
magpalayo.
1 of 2 for Mendoza.
Eto, King, inaharas ng taga Kerlon pero may traveling kay
Traveling,
Prado.
yes.
Bawal
Kitang-kita
ang
yung
first
traveling
step.
doon.
Eto, kay Dinati na naman sa gitna. Libre. He takes the shot and completes it. And that will take the lead na naman para sa Kerlon. 28-29. Pasa kay Senador. Balik kay number 21. Extra pass. Natapik. Pero kuha ni
Steal by
Dakel.
Dakel.
Eto na.
Mendoza all alone, binigay kay Gilaran.
Oo, yun.
And Bancon this time
Mhm.
takes an early timeout in the second quarter. So
Tam-
we'll be right back lang mga ka-ISEMs.
Yes. Ayaw.
Alright mga ka-ISEMs, we're back. So we'll try to read the shoutouts to Rachel, May Alejandro, Go Kerlon. Thank you so much for watching live. Kevin Zan, Dave Amagin, shout out to Mark Esteban. O Mark Esteban nag-reply rin. Kevin Zayan, Dave Amagin, Go Go Bancon.
Mm,
So again, we have Kerlon and Bancon fans tuning in live.
yes.
Thank you so much for watching live, mga ka-ISEMs. No, but if you want to watch it ngayong live na live talaga,
Yes, live talaga.
dito sa Pavia Gym, free admission, mga ka-ISEMs.
And yun, from that play, nakascore na naman dun yung Kerlon. And dito, Banco naman trying to answer with the 3 points with number 11. And nahawak ni Mendoza ngayon yung bola.
Mhm.
Giving space. Short nga lang yung tres. Number 12 for the rebound. Pass break kay King.
Oh, nice steal by Mendoza right
Nice
there.
hustle. Paatras yung takbo and tumalon. Kinuha yung bola pero eto.
Dakel to Haranilla takes the open three. Miss.
Oo, yun lang. Tungkab nga lang
Another
pero
steal by
Dakel
Dakel. Gives it to Dinati inside.
pumihit.
Uy!
Nag-drop. Yun nga lang. Laging always ready si Dakel to rebound kung hawak ni
Dinate, no?
Kaso nag-extra pa si
Na
Dinate
Dinati
doon.
needs to have more patience there.
Oo.
Kayang-kaya sana yun eh. So 6:42 left, mga ka-ISEMs.
Oo, pero eto.
Another turnover.
Yes.
2
And
on 1.
4 and 1
Mendoza.
nga eh. Eto na. Oh.
Muntik pang mabitawan yung bola doon.
Oo. And nice recovery. And eto nga lang, mabilis nga lang na ibalik.
Makabawi si Bancon.
Oo, mabilis din yung transition nila doon ha. And eto, medyo humanap
Inside to
ng play.
Pulgan. To Gilyaran from the corner. Short.
Oop,
Same
last
ball
touch
tayo mga kaisans.
ni number 11. And mag-substitution tayo dito. Palit ng tatlong tao from Bancon. So mga fresh players ang papalit dito. Pulgan in the inbound to Del Pilar. Balik kay Pulgan. Sila lang yung magkakampi doon kaso nahuli
Block.
doon.
Na block doon.
Mm-mm.
Yung si Bulabog na block.
Eto si King. Sa gitna. Natapik
Nice
ni
defense by
Pulgan.
Pulgan.
Oo, eto
Mendoza
2 on
2 on
1.
1 with Gilaran. And
Nice
Giliran
pass.
another open layup for him.
Mm-mm.
It's 37-33.
And Carlo nagbibigay talaga ng pressure sa half court pa lang ha. Eto, Bancon sagot nila.
Pulgan with the backs out.
Mm-mm.
Pero turnover.
Mali lang napasahan doon. Pero eto, natapik naman niya.
Gilyaran again will take it all alone.
Pinuwersa niya yun. Oy!
Sa yun, ahead na si Mendoza yun.
Oo.
Pinasa kasi.
Oy!
It is
Bumunggo.
a body check foul
Mm-mm.
by Dinate. So 5:15 left mga ka-Alisons. 37-30. 37-33.
Yes.
4-point lead for Carolon.
Side inbound tayo dito. Kinukulit dito si King ha. Na,
Sayang, that could have been a trap.
mm Yun nga lang may
Pinuntahan ni Mendoza, dapat nag-trap din si Gilyaran doon.
oo. Nice defense sila doon kaso
Open from the
yun lang.
corner.
Yun. Kuwang
3-point
kuha.
shot by
From-
number 93.
Yes. And dikit na naman tayo sa isang puntos lang ang lamang ng Carolon dito.
Gilyaran. Miguel Mendoza, Dinate. From the wing.
Yun
drops
oh,
it
kanina
to
pa dun si Pulgan nangihingi.
And one.
Sabi niya ibigay nyo dito, kanina pa ako naghihintay. And hindi nga niya binunggo yung kakampi niya dito. And may extra free throw pa siyang nakuha.
Medyo matagal rin yung inupo ni Pulgan, no? Because of the 2 fouls that he had in the first
Yes.
quarter.
Early fouls.
He misses the free throw, so he wasn't able to complete the 3-point play.
Yes. Pero eto, Bancon trying to do a slow pace. Play lang sila dito. Pero eto, Hesi move sa gilid. Dinate. Ganda ng presensya ng depensa niya doon. Nagkatapikan
Still.
dito. Nakuha nga lang with fancy behind the back pa doon si King.
Inuna naman yung aesthetic eh.
Ang aesthetic. Pero eto si Uy.
Parang wala
Di
sa
ko alam.
balance doon, no? Pero
Oo.
importante, 2 points eh.
Oo, parang starter
Parang
step.
nagulat na
Oo.
speechless tayo bigla eh.
Starter step ba yun? Akala ko tatawagan ng travel.
And another foul by Pulgan.
Yun
That's
nga
his
lang,
third
nako.
foul. So uupo na naman to for sure.
Nakakuha siya ng 3-point play pero tatlo na rin yung foul niya dito. And he needs to sit down. And substitution tayo dito. And biglang lumiit yung lineup ng Carolon dito.
Oo.
Parang small ball sila dito ngayon. Dahil Dinata and Pulgan is sitting down on the bench.
Number 14.
So ang plano dito
Wala.
ng
Tapikan ng
tapikan.
bola.
Long rebound para kay number 93. Binigay kay King to settle. Eto, naghahanap ng play. Tumira bigla. Tipless on
Tipless.
that hustle.
Good.
Ano
Ayan
pala
na.
yun? Shot clock violation sana pero
Naagaw kasi
oo.
before na expire yung yung shot clock.
So eto, may full court press dito yung Carolon pero eto
Uy.
sa ilalim. Balik naman kay King. Sa gilid ulit. Yun nga lang.
Turnover and Mendoza all alone
Oo.
for an easy 2.
Nako, they need to prevent that kind of errors dahil ginagawa talaga rin ng Kerlon to
Mhm.
transition na points doon pag nagkakaroon ng error ang Bancon. Pero
Tipless
eto,
with a rebound
Tipless.
and a foul
Mm-mm.
by Bancon to stop the fast break.
Yes. I think that's a good foul
Mhm.
din dahil para mapigilan yung fast break doon.
So shout out again, Zayan sending stars pero emoji stars pala.
Mm.
Fritz,
Appreciated pa rin
Angie,
yan.
Asher, laban din natin
Yon.
from, well, formerly from Transcom. Uh,
Yes. Eto, Obrique.
Abuel de
Short
la Cruz,
nga
let's
lang.
go Pulgan.
Oh, medyo
Parang nag-dim light tayo dito
oo.
bigla.
Pero okay pa naman ang ating coverage. Hindi naman
Okay pa naman
masyadong
yung coverage
affected.
natin pero yung
Lugar
ilaw
dito,
lang dito sa venue.
oo,
Ayan.
bumalik na.
Ayun. Sabi nagreklamo kayo. Ito,
Ah,
super.
ibibigay namin yung liwanag na gusto nyo. Eto si Lima, balik naman siya sa ball game. Mainit siya dito sa tres. Tingnan natin kung magagawa niya pa rin. Tipless with the spin, floater, foul.
Foul and he will take two free throws.
Mm-mm. Ganda sana ng move na yon.
Medyo nasisilaw na ako dito. Parang kukunin tayo ng liwanag dito.
Oo,
Kumpanyero Otsa.
kaya nga. Tipless for the first
Vincent
attempt.
David Go BMPDI. Ada, yung ano, initials ng Bancon.
Mm. Okay, perfect two free throws ang nakuha doon ni Tipless.
So,
Eto,
from Fritz Odinate, Transcom Pride, yes.
yan, shout out. Eto, small ball din dito yung Bancon ha. Wala wala rin silang big man dito pero eto Obrique nauuna na sa gilid pero natapik, napasa pa nga kay Dakel. Malakas nga lang. And Bancon, eto naman, sila naman yung magta-try dito ng opensa dito. Nako, nawala ng papasahan.
Lim
Lim.
all alone with
Mm-mm.
another easy two for Kerlon.
Yes. Hindi kailangan magmadali. I-sure mo lang, okay na yan. And meron tayong 45-49. And another
And another
error.
turnover for
Oo.
Bancon.
Lim. Extra
So
pa.
Obrique
Malakas
misses
nga
it,
lang.
but Uy was there to do the
Mm-mm.
putback.
Don't worry, my friend. I
Don't
will
worry, my
say.
friend, I got you.
I got you there.
So parang nagraratol
Oo.
yung Bancon dito, no?
Walang kumukuha ng bola.
Hmm.
Pero naitawid naman nila dito ng maayos. And number 4, with that attempt, nakakuha pa nga ng foul. Kaya tipless doon.
So according to our scoreboard, the official score is 51-45.
Yes.
So 6-point lead for Kerlon with 57 seconds left in the second.
Yes. And first throw, malakas. Para kay
For
Pestanyo. Yan.
number 4.
Second shot, may lucky bounce.
Shooter's roll yung tawag doon.
Oo. Shooter's roll. Bagong
Yung,
knowledge yun sa akin.
Shooter's roll, cinnamon roll,
Mm-mm.
chicken roll, mga ganyan.
Daming rolls. Obrique with that
Obrique
open 3.
with a 3. So maganda yung pinapakita ng Kerlon dito to end the first half,
Oo.
kumpanyero.
10 na dito bigla yung
So,
lamang nila.
54-44 pala yung official score natin.
Eto, Bancon trying to do offense. Yun
Obrique
nga
with
lang.
the foul there.
Mm-mm.
He will send number 22 of Bancon to the line to
Yes.
shoot 2.
And yun, sa ating mga live viewers yan, kung meron nga kayong shoutout dyan.
Ito, ka-items talaga natin to. Clifford
Mm-mm.
Mabacquiao, go Kerlon.
Yes. Shoutout sa'yo, Boss Cliff.
Wala. Line violation.
May tawag dun si Rep.
Hindi tinamaan yung ring.
Ah.
So 33 seconds left mga ka-items, 54-44.
Oo, kaya pa to ng dalawang possessions ha. Obrike with
Obrike, short this time.
oo. Naku, kumuha pa nga sila ng foul. And Bancon will inbound here sa side.
So 26 seconds left.
Mm-hmm.
Sabi ni ka-items clip, palyempo ka naman, Migunins. Delete ko na lang ni comment mo, pre, ah. Atoy shout out sa number 93 kag 26 ang Bancon. Thank you so
Yon.
much for watching live, sir.
Yon.
Kung gusto mo
Shout
sila
out.
matandaaw, kadto lang di sa Pabia Gym.
First attempt doon ni number 22, malakas. Second attempt, oy, pasok.
Gets 1 out of 2.
Oo.
Lim to tipless.
Eto.
Last shot time for Kerlon.
Oo. Taking the
Obrike.
play wise dito. Eto na nga.
Uy, with the mid-range. No good. So sayang yun, no?
Oo.
Last shot time sana.
Oy!
Uy!
Nako.
So nakuha ni Obrike.
Bigla lang tinira. Pero nice attempt there.
Nice effort.
Oo.
So that's the end of our first half, mga ka-Hisense.
Yes.
It's 54-45 in favor of Kerlon.
Yes.
So we'll take a quick time out and we'll be right back
Yes.
with the third quarter. Alright, and welcome back mga ka-ISEMs. So, our third quarter. Apologies for
Yes.
the late return, but we're back live. So, there, a good shot there from Team Bancon.
Yes.
It's
And
54-47.
before that point, merong foul na nakuha yung Kerlon ha.
Mhm.
Pero eto, Kerlon trying to answer with that three kasos. Airball para kay Dinate doon. Eto, Prado nagbamadali.
Kick
Kick
out to
out.
number 11.
Mhm.
Open three.
Yes,
Yes!
sir!
Good start for Team Bancon here.
Mhm. 5-0 run para sa kanila and cutting the lead into 4. We have 54 sa ating third quarter. And
Mendoza with a wide open three himself.
mhm,
Short that time.
trying to answer pero came up
Wala
short.
eh.
Eto
Oo.
si King. Uy! Kili-kili moves yun
Challenge,
ha.
challenge talaga si ano eh.
Mhm. Pero nakuha dito ni King yung bola. Long pass sa number 11 na naman. Malakas nga lang. Dinati for that rebound. Eto, dala yung bola. To Mendoza, back to Dinate. Kick out to Del Pilar na wala nga lang pero
Stays
blue.
with Kerlon.
Mm-mm.
So shout out sa mga live viewers Popsi, Garina, Cautivar, Kerlon. We all have Abuel, Kerlon with the lead. Let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Naka-icems naman niyo, Villan Aldro. Shout out sa mga lodi ko na
Yun!
sa taga Kerlon.
Siyempre,
From
shoutout
Gaza.
sa'yo.
Yes sir, we know you're in Gaza right now.
Mm-mm.
Kim Acuesta, go away with Dinate of Kerlon.
Oo.
Marian Grace Gaduyon, nice one. Charlie Magallanes, yes, the 3-point shot earlier.
Yes. Eto, meron na namang 2 attempts ang nagawa doon ng Team Bancon pero sablay. Pero eto, nakuha ng Bancon yung bola and nakakuha ng foul si Mendoza on that hustle.
So we have here, kumpanyero, Giancarlo Discazo, galing ng commentator. Thank you so much, sir.
Yun, thank you.
We appreciate it. We try to do the best that we can on every
Yes.
game.
Shoutout sa'yo, pre. Diyan. Eto. Balik sa
3 on 2
Kerlon yung
fast
bola.
break for Kerlon.
Oo.
Mendoza takes it himself.
Yun. Pasok. Eto si King naghahanap ng mapapasahan long pass. Fakes.
Magaling.
One-handed shot. Balik sa kanya yung bola and yun na nga, na-convert ngayong rebound na yon.
So Magallanes for Team Bancon,
Oo.
putting the team on his shoulders right now.
He's doing his best to
Doing his best, no?
para sa offense ng Bancon dito.
Oo.
Del Pilar, floater din.
Mabuhat lang yung team.
Mhm. Eto naman, number 21, nagmamadali. Papasa na naman kay Magallanes, syempre. And that will convert in 2 points.
Oo. So I think that's 7 points na for Magallanes, kumpanyero, in the third quarter alone.
Yes, sa kanya lang halos galing yung puntos dito ng Bancon. Eto,
Del
Kerlon
Pilar.
trying to answer with that. Wala nga lang.
Foul na sa baba pa lang.
That will not be accounted. And we have a substitution here. Dakel in. Number 12 from Kerlon will be sitting down. Trinidad. Balik kayo Mendoza sa gilid. Short nga lang. Kuha ni number 12. Eto. They will take it slow. Oy, good. Nice move kay number 11 doon ha. And pass sa gilid.
So Bancon, ties the game now.
Mhm.
So strong start for Bancon here in the third quarter, particularly kay Magallanes.
Oo. Parang 2 points pala yung nagagawa dito ng Kerlon.
Mendoza,
They are
short
really
again.
they are
Yung
struggling
mga
to do
3-point
offense
shots ni
dito.
Mendoza, puro short.
Oo. Dapat kailangan niyang medyo lakasan ng konti para umabot. But that will
Trinidad with the putback there, to give
Mm-mm.
the Kerlon 2 points.
break the glass, hidden glass dun sa ring nila. Ito Bancon playing, balik na naman kay number 11. Ang ganda ng screen doon para mabigyan siya ng open shot. Pero hindi nga lang niya na-convert doon.
Oh, yeah, foul there by number
Uy.
12.
Reaching,
So
reaching
another
in.
shout out by Marian Grace Gaduyon sa Gadget Amigo ko with Charlie Magallanes.
Yun.
Watching from Guimaras. Na naman, basta love is in the air kahit saan ka pa. Makaka-relate
Oo.
ka ba, kumpanyero, sa mga ganyan?
Medyo hindi eh.
Hindi, no? Hindi tayo makaka-relate sa mga ganyan eh.
Pero,
Sumasakit lang yung
oo.
ulo natin sa mga ganyan. O ulo ba o dibdib?
Pareho.
Parehas.
Pero eto, nakakuha yung bola ng Bancon dito with the turnover from Kerlon. Number 21, Spakes. With that
And we're
floater.
now tied at 58.
Mm-mm. Halos ganito lagi yung nangyayari sa sa bawat quarter. Lalamang ng two
Yung
digit yung
Kerlon,
Kerlon. Ididikit ng Bancon.
Another short 3-point attempt for for
Mendoza.
Mendoza.
And good offensive rebound and pass by Pulgan.
Mm.
And eto si King maghahanap ng tao sa gitna. Quick two.
Over Polgan, no?
Mm-mm.
So, kahit malaki ka pa, kaya
Walang
kita.
takot.
Oo. Trinidad
Crossover.
drives it to Polgan, di
Yun
na
nga
control,
lang.
and a wide open pass break
Libre.
for Bancon.
Yes, they need that timeout mga ka-ISEMs, and we will be back with these short commercials.
Alright, and we're back mga ka-ISEMs.
And
After a
yes.
timeout by Kerlon,
Oo. And
Lim is back. Double team
mm-mm.
to Dinati from the free throw, fakes and drives.
Yun.
Ties the game with a floater.
Oo. Good timeout by Kerlon.
Oo. They needed that para makascore, no?
Oo. To huddle up and do their plan and execute it.
For number 4 inside, wasn't able to handle the pass to Mendoza,
Nice
to
pass.
Dakil.
Uy!
Well,
Nice
good
defense nga
by
lang.
number 26.
Mm-mm.
Straight up defense yun.
Prado. Balik kay number 93 with that short jumper.
So, sayang.
Oo. And they are taking that lead 64-62 sa ating third quarter.
Dinate will take the 3.
Wide open.
Bang!
Yes.
3-point shot by
Oo.
Dinate.
5-point play yun from back-to-back possession kay Dinate.
So Kerlo now is up 1 and a turnover by Bancon.
Malakas nga lang yung pasa doon para
Ah.
kaya number 93 from number 17.
Lim now sees Dakil inside, wasn't
Oy.
able to control it.
Oo. Nakita naman niya yung pasa kaso alam niya rin na may
May tao.
oo, may tao
Naalanganin
na
sa
doon.
tao.
Naalanganin siya dun sa talon niya, hindi niya nakakuha yung bola. Pero eto, Bancon trying to do a play.
Number
Libre
93.
dito si number 93 sa Gedli.
Dinate with the rebound.
Oo.
Binigay kay Mendoza.
Nagmamadali.
Will take
Oh!
off. Nakabitawan pa yung bola.
Oo.
Pero
Nice
score pa rin.
recovery.
Yes. Iba na
Oh.
magaling talaga.
Mm-mm. He can recover from that loose ball dribble. Pero eto, sagot ng Bancon. Sa Gedli na naman, 3 points for number 21, Prado. And making this game again into a tie ball
So,
game.
2-for-3 exchange dun. 2
Oo.
points sa fast break and then 3 points balik sa kanila.
Eto,
Dinati
dinati na
again.
naman.
No
Yun
good
nga
this
lang,
time.
short.
Rebound by Bancon.
Oo,
They
takbuhan
go for a
dito.
fast break.
Uy!
Uy!
Nako.
Again, inuna na naman yung aesthetic.
Na-aesthetic na naman tayo doon. May aesthetic pero walang points. That's an error for them. And merong
Sayang yun because that was a 3-on-1 fast break.
oo. Kung simpleng pasa
So
doon,
may timeout tayo
mako-convert.
dito, kumpanyero, by
Yes.
Bancon this time. And we'll be right back, mga ka-ISEMs.
Stay tuned. Lim from the long three. Short nga lang. Rebound dito ng taga-Banco ng bola. Ibababa ni King. And eto na nga yung kwento talaga ng ating ball game, no? This is a must-win game for both teams and it really shows na wala talagang nagpapabaya dito because we have a
Uy,
tie ball game.
sobra! But Uy was there, no good.
Pero eto, Lim nakakuha yung rebound pero
Turnover
natapikan
din.
ni number 11 doon. Ito, binaba
Sayang
ni
yung
King.
opportunity.
Uy!
Ooh!
That move that makes Aguilaran
Sayang.
almost break his ankle. Kaso may turnover doon.
Tiningnan pa eh.
Mm-mm.
Kulang na lang sana, tinira na lang.
Oo.
And that would be a very good highlight for Team
Oo,
Bancon.
for this week. Pero makakakita pa tayo ng maraming ganyan, mga ka-ISEMs.
Gilyaran from the corner.
Mm-mm.
Short.
Uy,
Rebound
ganda
by
ng tip ni Dinate doon
And
ha.
one.
Iba pag matangkad.
Iba na pag matangkad, no?
Sinusundot-sundot lang.
So si Dinati naman nagsabi, I got your back, bro.
Oo. And may kinuha pa ngang foul. And 3-point play para sa kanya.
So 106 left in the third quarter, mga ka-ISEMs.
Balik na naman sa Kerlon yung kalamangan. Pero sinasagot dito ng Bancon yung yung
Yung
Kerlon.
run ng Kerlon, oo.
And they are using their timeouts very wisely because
Oo.
pag nakaramdam na yung kabilang team na, uy, maganda na yung run nila, we need to call timeout. Eto, with the spin move pa nga kay number 22,
Ilalang
malakas
with the
nga lang.
rebound, binigay kay Uy.
Uy,
Takes
with that,
it himself.
yung power play para kay Uy, banggaan ng katawan pero kayang-kaya ko yan. Eto, number 11, ang bumubuhat. Magallanes for the deep 3. Malakas pa nga yung
Uy.
tirang yon, number 22 for that.
Dinati did not control the rebound, pumunta sa Bancon.
And na-convert pa nga. Eto,
Mendoza
Mendoza.
all alone with the fake and the
Oo.
reverse. Yes.
Nice. Nice move from Mendoza there. And eto, ang Bancon na...
Last shot time.
Oo.
Tingnan natin kung kunin talaga nilang yung last shot.
Pero eto, binigay sa
Uy,
ilalim.
traveling.
Nako, hindi maganda. Error pang naibigay.
May passport pero na-revoke.
Oo.
Last shot time.
And Lim shouting for the play. Dapat tumatakbo daw pababa yung kakampi
5
niya doon.
seconds left. Inside to Gilaran did not handle the pass.
Sayang naman
Sayang. 3.6 tayo mga
Oo,
ka-ISEMs.
kaya pa tong itira.
Steal by Mendoza.
Mendoza from out of nowhere
Sayang.
and getting that foul. Sayang yon na hindi na-convert.
Maganda sana yun.
Highlight na naman sana for that. Binibitin tayo ng
Yeah.
mga players natin dito
Heads
for
up play by
highlights.
Mendoza yun eh.
Oo.
Ayan, short kahit sa free throw, short si Mendoza today.
Oo. He needs,
Kompanyero.
kailangan niyang i-adjust yung kanyang mga tira dito, mixed
Mhm.
in.
Kailangan magpalit ng shoes para may plus one attribute.
Oo. Malay mo, baka pagpalit mo ng shoes mo, merong puwersang ibigay.
Mm.
Ayan. Ilapit mo ng konti. Ayan. Short talaga
Short
pero,
talaga pero
oo.
kinuha sa bounce eh.
Uy!
1.2 turnover. Hindi na tinira ni
Oo.
Dinato. But again, that ends the third quarter mga ka-Isons. We have a very close game here.
Yes, 6 points lang.
74-69 in favor of Kerlon, and we'll be right back for the fourth quarter.
Yes, stay tuned mga kaisip.
And we are back for the fourth quarter mga ka-Isems.
Yes.
So
Of
this
course.
is Amigo Nins and Compañero Ots.
Yes, of course. Nagbabalik tayo sa ating dikit na laban and this is the last quarter of
Mhm.
our second game. Op, with that
Foul by
play.
Obrique.
Mm-mm.
Stay tuned on our third game for today mga ka-Isons between Price Gas and Toyota Iloilo. The Price
Yun.
Gas Playmasters versus Toyota Iloilo. And that will be another good game.
Yes, of course. And eto si King tumatawag ng play. Yup,
Almost a
Gilaran.
steal by Gilara, no?
Mm-mm. Uy, up and
Ooh!
under kaso malakas nga lang pero eto
Gilaran
nagmamadali.
all alone.
Oo, wala nang
Tinignan naman
dribble-dribble.
yung number 21. Again, inuna naman yung
Ang
aesthetic.
na ecstatic tayo dun for the score. Nako naman.
Parang di ko minsan alam kung ano yung importante sa players natin. Eh, yung
Oo.
aesthetic ba o yung points?
Oo. Pero kung
26, no look pass inside
Oo.
to 17.
Floater,
Rebound
malakas.
by Tiples.
Tiples, nagmamadali.
He will
Eto,
take it all the
all the
way.
way. Ganun daw dapat ang layup.
Yes.
Tuloy-tuloy. Wala nang tingin-tingin sa
Wala lang
kalaban pero
tingin-tingin pero aesthetic pa rin.
Uy! Another foul for
Good.
Obrique.
Foul by Obrique, but it's a good hustle,
Mm-mm.
to stop the wide open layup. But number 12 of Bancon will take two.
Yes. First attempt. Pasok. Nice defense sana kaso sumapit talaga. Second
Pero yun na
attempt.
lang yung magagawa mo eh. If you're going to foul, make sure na hindi siya magkaka 3-point play.
Oo.
That's a good foul for
Yes, for
Obrique.
Obrique.
Mendoza to Tiples.
Eto.
Drives. Binigay kay
Kicks
Oy
out.
with a
Uy.
fake. Drop kay
Another pass.
Tiples.
Yun nga lang, mahina.
Rebound by Bancon.
To
Number
Prado.
21, Prado.
Eto, transition na run nila. Uy, binato lang.
Mendoza with a rebound.
Nice defense by Uy dahil hindi na halos nakita doon ng number 21 yung ring. Naihagis na lang. Pero eto, naiwan na naman dito si number 12. Obrique. Uy, hindi nga nakakuha ng foul pero that's a conversion by our number 12 from Bancon.
Parang ilang beses na nangyari yun eh. Na
Mhm.
naka-quick score si Kerlon pero they were not able to go back sa defense,
Transition
right
defense.
away. Oh.
Tiples on 3, malakas. Obrique
Rebound by
for the
Obrique.
three. Mhm.
Maganda yung
Gilaran.
energy ni Obrike dito.
Oo, iba yung
Deepless tries the rebound again, but no, number 26 has it. 3 on
Ito.
2 fast break. It takes
King
it up
takes
and
it.
under. What a move!
Wow! What a move! And inulit pa nga niya without the ball.
Gandang move yun.
Oo.
So it's 78-75 mga ka-Icems.
Tugilaran.
Gilaran.
Mendoza.
Step back 3.
Oo.
Short again.
Making a space for himself. Pero eto.
Foul by Mendoza to stop the fast
Reach
break.
in. And we have a substitution dito.
So again, shout out to our viewers.
Yes.
24 million from all over
Yeah.
the world.
Shout out sa inyo. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Appreciated yan always. And eto, Prado to
Magallanes yan, number
Oo.
11.
di natin na Tapek. Obrike, struggling to handle that ball. Nakakuha ni number 12. Kukuha pa nga ng foul.
Oh, nakuha
nga.
talaga.
Oh my. What a veteran move by number 12 doon ha.
Yes. Bumangga, giba eh. Nagiba
Mhm.
talaga.
Tipless being a next big team din.
Was
Saka
baited for a foul and
Oo.
nakuha talaga. So one shot to tie the game. And he
Yun.
does tie the game.
Yes.
So we're now at 78 all
Oo.
with 7:16 left in the ball game.
Dinate.
Pinate the drive.
Drives, strong drive para sa kanya. From a 3-point line yun ha. Nagulat doon yung taga Bancon, biglang bumilis ng takbo. Eto, sagot ng Bancon, sablay nga lang. Uy, get that rebound, natapik pa
Gilyan,
sa
wide
kanya.
open there. Di nakita ni Oy.
Takes it, wow! And parang nagda-doubt pa siya doon sa release niya yun, pero
Pero sabi niya, okay lang.
Eto, King. Nakita niya doon si number 17 sa ilalim. And that is their answer for that
For that run.
Mhm.
Oo. Again, it happened again. Kompanyero,
Oo.
nakascore si Kerlon. And they're not
Babawi.
going back sa defense. Gilyaran.
Oo, dahil sa ilalim pa nga yung pasa nun ni King. Pero eto, nakascore na naman dito.
So 84-80 pala according to our officials.
Oo. Sa gitna. Oy, natapik nga lang. Eto, Obrike, nauuna. Easy layup para sa kanya. Op.
Easy layup yun.
Mhm. And may nagkabanggaan pa nga sila doon ni number 12.
So it's now a 6-point lead for Kerlon with 5:55 left. 5-5-5 Sardines.
Mhm.
Magallanes from the
Magallanes.
corner. Short.
Yun oh! Meron pa rin talaga siyang nakukuhang foul, no?
Number 12 of Bancon. Alam kung paano kukuha ng foul eh.
Grabe. Parang mala James Harden ng ano?
Yung galaw.
Oo.
And he's making his free throws pa.
Oo. Yun.
Three
Perfect
hits
pa nga.
both. 86-82. 4-point lead.
Lim, deep 3. Kaso, malakas. Eto, agawan.
Uy, again, another outbalance shot.
At humihingi siya doon ng foul, natapik daw yung
Oy,
kanyang kamay. Pero eto,
3
King,
on 1.
short din.
Nabitawan yung bola.
Prado, extra pass, nakakuha pa rin sa kanya.
Short pa
Nakuha
rin.
niya yung bola.
Number
Naku,
26
tapikan.
with,
Naku,
fake.
foul na naman.
Eh,
Si Uy.
nakuna ng foul si Uy.
Kulang sa box out doon yung Team Kerlon to get that rebound. And laging nasa magandang pwesto yung or lucky position yung taga Bancon to get that
Time out
tip.
tayo dito.
Yes.
And it's 86-82 with 5:15 left, mga ka-Icems. We'll take a quick break.
Yes. Stay tuned.
Fiber X, Fiber X, Fiber X, Fiber
back mga ka-ISM. So sinabi namin quick break. So quick talaga.
Mm-mm. Ayaw namin kayo naghihintay ng matagal din. And that break is brought to you by our official partner sa ating
Oh, and
coverage.
Magallanes again with another three.
Mm-mm. 3 points. Eto, Lim, easy play lang daw. Tugilaran, to Mendoza. Sa Gedli,
Short
sasagot.
pa rin,
Short nga lang.
kumpanyero.
Oo. Kanina pa short yon.
Yung mga misses ni Mendoza today, puro short.
Oo. And that is a good look lagi sa tira niya. Kaso kapos nga lang.
Magallanes from
Eto,
the corner again.
Magallanes.
No good.
Malakas.
Rebound to number 21. We'll try again. This time he hits it. And he gives Bancon a 2-point lead.
Yes. For that 3 points from Magallanes. And talagang eto, he's really doing his thing and binubuhat niya yung Team Bancon sa kanyang mga...
Bilyaran, binigay kay Dinate inside.
Uy!
Short lang. But that is a foul by number 4, Pistaño of Bancon.
Substitution tayo. Pasok si Tiples and Pulgan.
Tiples will come in for Pulgan.
Yes.
Dinate will shoot 2.
First attempt niya, swabing swabe.
Suabe. Rainless.
Mm-mm. Second.
Gets the
Wow.
lucky bounce.
Mm-mm.
So we're tied at 88 with 4 minutes and 13 seconds left in the game. A steal by
Huli.
Tiples. Good pressure by
Oo.
Kerlon. And it's a
Tiples,
3-on-2 fast break. He
bumunggo.
takes it all the way and he
Mm.
gets an end one.
Yes. Ganda ng body control niya doon, no?
Oo. What a
Pagbunggo niya.
sequence for
Mm-mm.
Tiples. He sees the pass, takes it, and then takes it all the way himself.
Oo. 3-point play pa nga para sa kanya pero,
Pero wala
sablay.
sablay. So it is now just a 2-point lead for Kerlon.
Oo.
King to Magallanes.
Mm-mm.
A foul by Gilyaran.
Kumagat sa peke ni Magallanes eh.
Iba talaga yung may larong utak.
Mm-mm. And nasa penalty situation na ata dito yung Kerlon.
Oo.
That is why nasa...
That was their 5th team foul
Mm-mm.
of the quarter. So penalty na si Kerlon.
Magallanes for the second free throw. 2-4-2 siya doon ha.
So we're tied at 90.
No, and malaki yung scores natin ha. 10 points na lang. We will also break the 100 points.
Gilyaran with a 3 from the wing. No good.
Tiples
Tiples
with
with
the power
offensive
rebound.
rebound.
Hit pa. Oy! Anong itatawag doon?
That's a foul by number 26, King.
Okay, blocking
Sa rebound
foul.
eh. Oh,
Oo.
he nip check. So good effort for Tiples
Oo.
here.
And a
And
good
one for
pass.
Dinate.
Yes. Kita niya doon yung teammate niya na kayang-kaya niya yung kayang-kaya ni Dinate sa ilalim yung bumabantay.
So Tiples making things happen
Oo.
for Kerlon. So good inbound pass there to Dinate.
Mm-mm. And makes the
And he
3-point
completes
play.
the 3-point play, yes. And substitution coming in.
Gilaran out, Dakil in.
So 3 minutes and 29 seconds left mga ka-ISEMs.
And kailangan sumagot dito ng Bancon. They need this point para hindi mapalayo ng Kerlon yung kalamangan nila.
Considering this is a very high scoring ball game.
Oo.
Good defense by
Oy!
Dinate and a turnover by number 17.
Tapon ng sabaw on that
Wala
last
eh.
play.
Napayungan talaga eh.
Mm-mm.
Umuulan pa nga naman ngayon dito.
Oo. The umbrella defense is doing
Umbrella,
it.
literal na umbrella yung nangyari dun.
Mendoza slicing in.
Binigay
Kick
ka
out.
Dinate.
Another
Corner
extra
elim.
pass.
Bang!
Yes! Uy, meron pang pahabol na tingin. Si Lim doon. Eto na nga yung sinasabi natin. Bancon needs to answer on that
Ooh.
offense.
Para magsi-street ball dun si
Oo.
Magallanes Good challenge by Team Plus, but an
Uy,
offensive
malakas
board.
nga lang din natin na taking that rebound nga lang, no?
Sayang yung offensive board ni Pistanyo.
Mm-mm.
So, Bancon will take a timeout.
Yes.
So, we'll see yung mga nagpapa-shoutout sa atin dito,
Oo.
kumpanyero, no? So, tingnan natin. Who do we have here? So, si Rainier Subosa, may hinahanap, oh. Din ka, boss. So, Papsi, Garina. Sabi pa si Paslam Dunk, Sir JP Pulgan.
Yun, no?
Kaya na ni JP, ha?
Oo.
Tigang Bato, Bancon, Daganyo kay Masyata Dayon. Vincent David, Waswas Bancon.
Yes.
Mac Esteban, Go Team Bancon, watching somewhere down the road.
Yun.
Pinano mo ako, sir, ha?
Pinakanta bigla.
Pinakanta mo bigla.
na
Rachel May Alejandro, bring home the bacon, Kerlon.
nailabas yung hidden talent ni
And our
Nico
brother,
Nins.
Abuel de la Cruz, crunch time.
Pero eto, Prado, trying to answer with that three. Malakas nga lang.
It's a good set coming from ano, no,
Oo.
Bancon. They were able to get a wide open three-point
Good
shot there.
rotation ng bola doon.
Wala, hindi lang pumasok.
Oo.
So Lim
Taking his
trying
time.
to, taking his
Oo.
time.
They are doing right here kasi lamang naman sila ng 6 na puntos. Pero biglang tira!
Bang!
Oh! It's a back-to-back three from Lima. And eto, Bancon, they are struggling naman to get that offense point. Pero eto, nakita
Wide
niya.
open there.
Nakita ni number 12, si number 17 underneath the basket. Senador on that 2 points.
Last
And
2 minutes tayo, mga
Mm-mm.
ka-ISEMs. Ito, pinipressure na nila si Lim.
Lim,
Mendoza,
Ay,
binigay
iba.
ka din natin.
maganda
Will
yung
drive.
ball movement dito.
Ooh, nice
And-
pass!
Oy!
Pero wala, but
Oy!
a foul
Yun nga
by
lang.
number 21. Again, inuna yung karate chop
Oo,
kesa sa rebound.
Prado trying to be wise pero kitang-kita sa doon ng ating referee extending his arm para ma-intercept din yung kamay ni Adinate.
Shout out to my beautiful mom,
Yun.
Angelica Torre. Good shot daw sabi niya. Papsi, Kerlon, FTW. Ano yung FTW?
For the win.
For the win.
Yun.
Iba yung pumapasok sa
Ano ha?
yung something na hindi natin pwedeng i-ano
Oo.
sa ere eh.
Wag na lang. Ano
Pero
na lang natin
tama na yung
yan.
for the win.
And eto, meron niya tayong bagong dating. Courtesy of Boss Lance. Merienda tayo mga ka-ISEMs. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-merienda dyan, order na kayo.
Din natin
Mm-mm.
secures both shots. So it's 101-92 now for Kerlon. 140 left.
Oo.
Magallanes short that time. Parang ano na.
Medyo struggle na talaga sila dito. And medyo nawawala yung init ng kamay ni Magallanes dito sa ating fourth quarter. And we have another 100 points for the second game. And
Alright.
Mendoza.
So Kerlon is now
Mm-mm.
playing keep away.
Oo. Takbuhan pero
Steal.
ito natapik.
Pero binalik lang bigla sa
Oo.
Kerlon.
Eto na. They are really playing it wisely. Running that time.
So if Kerlon wins this, I think yung magiging player of the game natin si Brian Lim.
Oo.
Finally,
Yes.
Mendoza hits a 3.
Oo. Pero eto, medyo bumababa na yung energy ng taga Bancon.
I think that's it na, kumpanyero, no?
alam na nila.
Mm.
They don't need to struggle or something here.
So
50
yun na,
seconds.
paubos na lang talaga yung oras dito.
Oo.
So, uy,
Trying to
turnover
be,
pa.
Op,
Prado,
long
from Steph
three.
Curry range.
Tinapos siya.
Yung range lang yung Steph Curry, pero yung tira, pang Chris Bulado.
Nice try nga. Pero I think
Nag-concede.
Bancon.
Yes, nag-concede na si
Yes.
Bancon. So it's a win for Kerlon.
Yes. Congrats sa Kerlon.
104-92. So nag-concede na si Bancon mga ka-items, no? So that would be it.
Yes. And
So that's the first win for Kerlon.
mm,
And Bancon drops to 0-2.
yes. And Kerlon takes over this game. Yun nga yung title ng ating game 2 is a must-win game para sa both teams. And nakakuha nga yun ng Kerlon.
Alright,
Congrats
so
and
before we
GG.
end the broadcast for this game, no,
Yun.
hahabol sa mga shoutout dito.
Yun.
So, Gilda, Lagas Bancon, sorry, nag-concede na sila.
Mm-mm.
To my cousin, no, ikaw ni Gambal. No, it's not me.
Yes, of course.
Bawit
Migo
sunod,
Nins.
Bangkon,
Yes.
from Rogaine, Joy Poras. Congrats, Kerlon, from Mary Ann Calio Padaka, Halandoni.
Yun.
Alright, so again, that ends our ball game between Kerlon and Bancon. So Kerlon takes
They're
the
winning
game
pick.
104-92, so a 12-point lead
And
for Kerlon. So again, watch out for our next game between Price Gas and Toyota Iloilo.
yes.
So we'll go live in a moment. So again, this is Migo Nins with
Panyero Ots.
thank you so much mga ka-Hisense. We'll be right back for the third game.
Yes, stay tuned.